If you're someone who wants to eat healthy, fuel your body with the right nutrients, and stay on track with your fitness or weight loss goals, meal prep is a game changer. In today's fast-paced world, it can be difficult to find time to cook healthy meals every day. That's where 1 hour meal prep comes in. You can prepare macro-friendly, high-protein meals for the entire week in just 1 hour. That means less stress during the week and more time to focus on what really matters. Why high-protein meal prep is key. Protein is the cornerstone of any successful fitness plan. It's essential for muscle repair, growth, and maintaining a healthy metabolism. Eating enough protein also helps you feel fuller for longer, making it easier to stick to your goals without constant hunger or cravings. This 1 hour high-protein meal prep is not only quick and easy, but also ensures you get a balanced intake of macronutrients, protein, carbohydrates, and healthy fats to fuel your body throughout the day. And the best part, these meals are not only great for fitness enthusiasts, but also for anyone looking to eat clean and healthy all week long. What you need for the 1 hour high-protein meal prep. Before we dive into the recipes, let's talk about what you'll need. We'll focus on simple, healthy ingredients that pack a punch of protein and essential nutrients. Here's your grocery list. Proteins: chicken breast or tofu for a plant-based option, lean ground turkey, eggs, carbohydrates, sweet potatoes, quinoa, brown rice, or whole wheat pasta. Vegetables: broccoli, spinach, zucchini, bell peppers, or your choice of leafy greens. The meal prep breakdown. Here's how you can efficiently meal prep 4 high-protein meals in just 1 hour. Each meal will contain lean protein, fiber-packed vegetables, and healthy carbs to ensure you stay full and energized throughout the day. 1. Grilled chicken and quinoa with roasted vegetables. Ingredients: 2 chicken breasts, 1 cup quinoa, 2 cups broccoli, or any vegetable of your choice, olive oil, salt, pepper, and garlic powder for seasoning. Instructions: cook the quinoa. In a pot, bring 2 cups of water to a boil. Add 1 cup of quinoa and let it simmer for 15 minutes until it's fully cooked and fluffy. Set it aside. Prepare the chicken. Season the chicken breasts with olive oil, salt, pepper, and garlic powder. Grill or bake the chicken until it's fully cooked, about 6–8 minutes per side. 2. Ground turkey. Stir fry with sweet potatoes and spinach. Ingredients: 1 pound ground turkey, 2 medium sweet potatoes, diced 2 cups, spinach, olive oil, cumin, paprika, salt, and pepper for seasoning. Instructions: cook the sweet potatoes. Toss the diced sweet potatoes in olive oil, salt, and pepper, then roast at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 21–25 minutes or until tender. Cook the turkey. While the sweet potatoes are roasting, cook the ground turkey in a pan over medium heat with a little olive oil. Season with cumin, paprika, salt, and pepper. Sauté the spinach. In the same pan, add a little olive oil and sauté the spinach until wilted. Assemble. In your containers, layer the cooked sweet potatoes, turkey, and sautéed spinach. Zucchini noodles with egg and avocado. Ingredients: 3 medium zucchinis, spiralized into noodles, 3 eggs, 1 avocado, sliced olive oil, salt, and pepper for seasoning. Instructions: cook the zucchini noodles. Heat olive oil in a pan and sauté the zucchini noodles for 2 medium till tender. Scramble the eggs. In another pan, scramble the eggs with a pinch of salt and pepper. Assemble. In each meal prep container, add the zucchini noodles, scrambled eggs, and slices of avocado on top. 4. Baked tofu with brown rice and steamed veggies. Ingredients: 1 block of firm tofu, cubed, 1 cup brown rice, 2 cups mixed vegetables, broccoli, bell peppers or carrots, olive oil, soy sauce, and garlic powder for seasoning. Instructions: cook the rice, cook the brown rice according to the package instructions. Set aside. Bake the tofu. Cube the tofu. Season with olive oil, soy sauce, and garlic powder. Bake at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 21–25 minutes until crispy. Steam the veggies. Steam your mixed veggies for about 5–7 minutes until tender. Assemble. In each container, add a serving of brown rice, tofu, and steamed vegetables. If you're aiming for a healthy lifestyle, balancing work, exercise, and healthy eating can feel like a daunting task. However, the key to sticking to your goals is meal prep, especially high-protein meal prep. When you focus on protein-packed, nutrient-dense foods, you provide your body with the fuel it needs for recovery, muscle growth, and fat loss. Today, I'm going to show you how you can meal prep for the week with easy macro-friendly meals in just 1 hour. Why high-protein meal prep is essential. Protein is an essential macronutrient that plays a crucial role in building and repairing tissues, especially muscles. It's also incredibly important for boosting metabolism and helping with weight management. When you ensure you get enough protein throughout the day, you'll feel fuller for longer. By dedicating just 1 hour to meal prep, you can enjoy healthy, delicious meals that provide over 100 g of protein per day, making it easier than ever to hit your nutritional goals. The essentials of a high-protein meal prep. Let's talk about what you'll need. The beauty of meal prep lies in its simplicity. You don't need complicated ingredients, just a variety of lean proteins, whole grains, and nutritious veggies. Here's a quick look at the basics you'll want to stock up on. Protein sources: chicken breast, lean turkey, tofu, eggs, fish, or legumes, like chickpeas and lentils. Carbs: brown rice, quinoa, sweet potatoes, oats, or whole grain pasta. Vegetables: leafy greens, spinach, kale, bell peppers, broccoli, carrots, and zucchini. Healthy fats: avocados, olive oil, nuts, seeds, and nut butter. Herbs and spices: garlic, lemon, chili flakes, cumin, paprika, soy sauce, or mustard for added flavor. Meal prep breakdown. 4 easy, high-protein meals. Here's a breakdown of 4 easy meals you can prepare in just 1 hour. These meals are not only packed with protein but are also rich in fiber, healthy fats, and essential vitamins, keeping you energized and full all day long. 1. Grilled chicken with quinoa and roasted vegetables. Ingredients: 2 chicken breasts, 1 cup quinoa, 2 cups broccoli or your favorite veggies, olive oil, salt, pepper, garlic powder. Scruk: 1 cup of quinoa in 2 cups of water. Simmer for 15 minutes and set aside. Season chicken breast with olive oil, salt, pepper, and garlic powder. Grill or bake until fully cooked, 6–8 minutes per side. Toss broccoli with olive oil, salt, and pepper, then roast at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 15–20 minutes. Assemble meals by dividing quinoa, chicken, and roasted veggies into meal prep containers. 2. Ground turkey with sweet potatoes and spinach. Ingredients: 1 pound ground turkey, 2 medium, sweet potatoes, diced 2 cups, spinach, olive oil, cumin, paprika, salt, and pepper. Instructions: roast diced sweet potatoes at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 25 minutes. Brown the ground turkey in a skillet, seasoning with cumin, paprika, salt, and pepper.
Saute spinach in olive oil until wilted.
Portion out the sweet potatoes, turkey, and spinach into containers. Simplify your week with meal prep in just 1 hour. You can have your meals prepped and ready to go for the entire week. This high-protein meal prep strategy is not only time-efficient but also helps you meet your nutritional needs while sticking to your goals. With a little planning and organization, meal prep can become a stress-free and rewarding part of your week. By focusing on whole nutrient-dense foods and making the most of your time, you'll have more energy, save money, and stay on track with your fitness and weight loss goals. So whether you're trying to build muscle, maintain weight, or just eat healthier, meal prep is an absolute game changer. If you enjoyed these meal prep tips and want more easy, healthy, and macro-friendly recipes, be sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. That way you'll never miss a meal prep hack, delicious recipe, or fitness tip to keep your journey on track. Share this video with your friends or family who are ready to start meal prepping, and let's all get healthier together. Happy prepping!